Amid the controversy surrounding the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test UG 2024, the students' protests at Delhi's Jantar Mantar against the irregularities in the examination enter its 7th day today, and the students have called for a march towards the parliament on Tuesday to press their demands. The students are demanding re-examination for all the students countrywide and the immediate resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, who has failed to speak on the issue and listen to the demands of the protesting students. Students have gathered at the national capital for an indefinite sit-in strike under the banner India Against NTA, raising their voices against the alleged rigging in the NEET UG examination. Meanwhile, the Central Bureau of Investigation is strongly continuing its crackdown on the case, tightening its grip. The CBI arrested the owner of a private school in Godhra district of Gujarat in connection with the irregularities in the national examination. The accused, identified as Dikshit Patel, is the owner of J. Jalaram School situated near Godhra and was arrested from his residence by the CBI officials. However, the striking point here is that the nationwide crackdown by the central agency, which has led to numerous arrests and uncovering of a vast network of people throughout the country, contradicts the centre's claim that there had been no leak in this year's NEET UG exam. Patel is the 6th person to be arrested in this case from Gujarat. According to CBI officials, the accused allegedly solicited between rupees 5 lakh and rupees 10 lakh from candidates, promising to enhance their examination scores. Pertinently, throughout its crackdown, the Central Investigative Agency has arrested several people, including junior engineers, teachers, school administrators, students and political functionaries who are suspected of being involved in leaking the question papers, providing answer keys to the aspirants a night prior to the exam, and arranging dummy candidates. As the crackdown on the examination issues continues to go forth, the leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, on Monday raised the NEET issue in the Lok Sabha, criticizing it to be an institutional failure where the government has failed to address the discrepancies of the students. He also referred to the medical entrance exam as a commercial exam designed for rich kids, which the government has centralized in quota.
Professional exams को आपने commercial exams में बदल दिया है. NEET is not a professional exam. NEET is a commercial exam. NEET में एक स्टूडेंट टॉपर हो सकता है, एक्सेलेंट स्टूडेंट हो सकता है, मगर अगर आप उसके पास पैसा नहीं है, मेडिकल कॉलेज में नहीं जा सकता. सिंपल सी बात. नीट का पास मार्क 22% है. वो पूरा का पूरा एग्जाम,
सर एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर
पूरा का पूरा एग्जाम अमीर बच्चों के लिए बनाया गया है. कोटा में पूरे के पूरे एग्जाम को आपने सेंट्रलाइज किया. हजारों करोड़ रुपए बन रहे हैं, हजारों करोड़ रुपए बन रहे हैं, और कमर्शियल पेपर जो आपने बना रखे हैं, कमर्शियल एग्जाम्स, 7 साल में 70 बार पेपर लीक.
Though the government restrained from speaking on the matter as of now, the heated debate is expected to go on today following PM Narendra Modi's motion of thanks to President Draupadi Murmu's address.